First of all, I would like to say good morning teacher and good morning everyone. I'm Kung Sochiata and I study English at Asia Euro Organization. Today I'm very appreciated to do the presentation about my everyday activities. Hello again. I'm Kung Sochiata and I'm from Campo Province. I'm 19 years old and I'm single. I have one sister and two brothers. I study accounting at Asia Euro University. I want to be an accountant in my future because it's a good job. I like working in office and I can earn some money also. I study English because it's an international language. I can communicate with other people and it's easy to find a good job.
First of all, I would like to say good morning teacher and good morning everyone. I'm Kung Bora and today I'm very glad to do the presentation about my everyday activities. My name's Kung Bora and I'm 19 years old. I study English at Asia Euro Organization. Today I'd like to tell you about my everyday activities. I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. After I get up, do some exercises, clean my house, cook breakfast and have a shower. I have breakfast at 6:30 and I have rice, pork and sausages for my breakfast. I go to school by my motor at 7 o'clock. I leave school at 11 o'clock and I arrive home at 11:30. I have rice, fish soup, pork and some fruit for lunch. After lunch I relax for 30 minutes. I have dinner at 8 o'clock and I have rice, chicken, soup and some dessert. After dinner, I do homework, read books, listen to music and watch TV. I always go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. In my free time, I like reading books, playing sport, listening to music and watching TV. My everyday activities are busy but I like it. That's all for my everyday activities and thanks.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.